Hi friends, today we are going to discuss about types of supply chain models. So there are 6 models of supply chain. All of them fit into either one of two categories. So either one model is focused on efficiency or it is focused on responsiveness. So the reality is all supply chains have elements of both efficiency and responsiveness, but each supply chain model can have a primary focus of either efficiency or responsiveness. So each model has unique qualities that can support the overall organizational goals. So let's look at what are the types of supply chain models. So we have continuous flow model, fast chain model, efficient chain model, custom configured model, agile model, and flexible model. So let us discuss about all these 6 models. So what is continuous flow model? Continuous flow model for supply offers stability in high demand situations, right? That very little manufacturers that produce the same goods repeatedly with very little fluctuation can benefit from the continuous flow model. So it is ideal for commodity manufacturing, and it is one of the most traditional supply chain model you must have heard. Next is fast chain model. So fast chain model is ideal for manufacturers that manufacture products that are trendy with short life cycles, right? So it works well with a business that must change their products frequently and that needs to get them out fast before the trend ends. So this is a flexible model. And what is efficient chain model? So efficient chain model is a model that is best for businesses that are in very competitive markets and they are where end-to-end efficiency is their primary goal. Next, custom configured model. So this focuses on providing custom configurations, especially during assembly and production. So it is a combination of agile model and the continuous flow model, which is a hybrid of sorts, right? And agile model is primarily a method of supply chain management that is ideal for businesses that deal in specialty order items. So it is a model that focuses on the ability of the supply chain to amp up in some cases, but also be solid when there is not much movement happening, right? And the last one, flexible model, gives businesses the freedom to meet high demand peaks and manage long periods of low volume movement. So it can be switched on and off very easily. So friends, this is all about 6 different types of models in supply chain management, right? So thanks for watching. Like, share and subscribe to my channel, and also press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. And don't forget to share this video with your friends or colleagues whom you think it is beneficial. And press bell icon if you want to watch my latest videos. Thanks for watching. See you next time.